In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates in Stripe. First, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account, then head over to your main Stripe dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your payments, balances, and other key information. From here, we're going to navigate to the part of Stripe where shipping rates are managed. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option called Product Catalog. Go ahead and click on that. The product catalog is where you manage the items and related settings that you sell through Stripe, and shipping rates live in this section. Once you're in the product catalog area, find and click on Create Shipping Rate. This opens the form where you'll configure all the details of your new shipping option. You'll see a drop-down related to tax, usually labeled something like Include Tax. Click on this to decide whether the shipping amount you're setting should include tax or not. Your choice here depends on how you handle taxes in your business and which region you're operating in, so it can be helpful to align this with your accountant or existing tax setup. Next, click into the amount field and type in the shipping cost you want to charge. This is the base price your customers will see at checkout. Take a moment to make sure the currency shown is correct for your primary market. If you sell in more than one currency, there will be an option to add additional currencies. Click on that if you need it, and enter the equivalent amounts for each currency you support. This helps ensure a smooth experience for international customers. Now move down to the description field and click into it. Add a clear description for the shipping rate, for example, standard shipping or express courier. This is useful both for you when managing multiple rates and for customers who may see this label during checkout. Below that, you'll see an area for estimated shipping time. In the Between field, enter the lower end of your delivery estimate, such as 3 if you expect delivery between 3 and 5 days. Then use the drop-down next to it to choose the time unit, business days, hours, weeks, or months. After that, in the And field, enter the upper end of your estimate, like 5. This creates a clear delivery window for your customers. Towards the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Taxes on Shipping. Here, choose whether taxes on shipping should be determined automatically based on Stripe's tax settings or set to never. Pick the option that matches your compliance and pricing strategy. When you're happy with all the details, scroll down and click Save. Your new shipping rate is now created and ready to be used in your Stripe integrations.